मिस्टर प्रभजोत सिंह, आपने यहाँ जो एक ज़मीन पर फार्म हाउस तैयार किया है और ये किस स्थान पर है, कैसे खरीद सकते हैं यहाँ पर?
हाँ जी, ये इस प्रोजेक्ट को मैंगो मिस्ट फार्म्स बोलते हैं। प्रोजेक्ट जो है 32 एकर्स में स्प्रेड हुआ है और इस 32 एकर्स में हम लोगों ने ग्रीन प्लैनेट एवोल्यूशन के हिसाब से कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट टू द ग्रीनर रेवोल्यूशन पे करने के लिए कोशिश की है। और इस ग्रीनर रेवोल्यूशन में हमने इस 32 एकर्स में पूरा फार्मिंग कम्युनिटी बनाया है, जहाँ पे ये जो है 60 मिनट्स फ्रॉम बेंगलुरु इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट से है। इस पूरे फार्मिंग कम्युनिटी में आपको बटरफ्लाई आर्च है, यहाँ पे स्टोन आर्टिस्टिक गार्डन है, स्टोन आर्टिस्टिक वॉच टावर है, बैम्बू ब्रिज है, नेचुरल वेल है, यहाँ पे नेचुरल स्ट्रीम है हमारे पीछे, जस्ट पीछे हमारे कम्युनिटी के लिए हमने बैम्बू कॉटेजेस बनाए हैं। लोग यहाँ पे जो फार्म लैंड खरीदेंगे उनके रहने की सुविधा दी गई है। हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे जिस फार्म लैंड में तरह तरह के फ्रूट्स ग्रो कर सकते हैं, टिम्बर प्लांटेशन कर सकते हैं, फार्म हाउसेस बना सकते हैं। शहरों में जिन लोगों को एक एस्पिरेशन है कि मेरे ओल्डन डेज में हम लोग हमारे दादा दादी के घर पे जाते थे और हमें मैदानों में या तो बागों में घूमने का एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला करता था। आज की डेट में हम लोग न्यूक्लियर फैमिली हो चुके हैं और इस समय में अगर हमको हमारी जो छोटी जनरेशन्स है उनको अगर कुछ इनहेरिटेंस देना है तो लैंड है, तो उस लैंड को हम फार्म लैंड की तरह दे सकते हैं। हमारे पास क्वार्टर एकड़ है, हाफ एकड़ है, एकड़ ऑफ यूनिट्स है। आपको और जानकारी के लिए हम लोग हमारे वेबसाइट myfraindia.com में जाके बहुत सारी डिटेल्स ले सकते हैं वहाँ पे, या तो हमारा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर 9886897369 पे रीच कर सकते हैं।
अगर गूगल पर सर्च करना चाहे तो किस नाम पर सर्च कर सकते हैं?
आप myfraindia.com करके जाएंगे तो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट डिटेल्स आपको वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा। Thank you so much.
Okay, so when we came here 2 years ago, this was very raw, it was very bare, and we could see that the building, it was looking nice and it was looking very sophisticated. But coming here now, we can see the progress that you've made in the last 2 years. And it's I remembered that you had said that you bought the land because of the round stones that you found here. And very carefully, very nicely, it was, incorporated in the whole area, so you can see the stones everywhere, and it's very beautifully you've made this amphitheater, exactly how you had shown us the vision 2 years ago. It's the same vision has come to life in front of us today.
Yeah, and you always talked about elements, right? And at that time it was hard to experience those elements, but I think yesterday and today we really felt it, we really enjoyed it. It was really nice. So probably the high point for us, for me specifically, and my son will say it differently, like the ducks in that water body, the lotus, and it's just that walk actually. It's just amazing. It's really great.
And general ambience is just amazing. There are a bunch of trees and in the night a bunch of lights, and in general it's a really good ambience.
The absence of that ambient noise is very, very important for me.
Hello, and I'm Sean D'Souza, and I have my daughter Tiara with me. And to begin with, 2 years back or so, I was looking at this concept of farming, either as an independent opportunity or as a performing exercise. And while I was researching for that, I came across a good friend of mine, Prabjot, who had done while he's working with different organizations. And then we just took a chance and came over to this place to see what is going on. And when we came in here, the initial landscaping and setup was just awesome. It just gives a good feeling, and to then look at an investment opportunity where I continue to buy a piece of farmland which has been maintained and is continuing to be maintained, and the entire area whichever we've seen pretty much dry has just grown almost as a as a good start to reforestation. And it's just wonderful to see just hardly 2 hours journey from Bangalore to have something like this just at our doorstep when we used to spend a lot of time traveling miles to go, find something similar. So I think the project has just come up very well. The landscaping and the utilization of all the infrastructure and facilities, including the natural stream, including the rocks and everything that is available here, has been utilized to the maximum. And now the concept of the cottages that are coming up for members to use, and the beautiful wood house that we've also got an experience to stay, is just giving us that countryside feeling of living in something which is like a dream for us. So the team here is just awesome, very hospitable. They're hardworking. They've got good plans ahead of them, and it's a very good opportunity for anyone who's looking at getting out of the city and choosing a place where you can just hop over anytime you feel stressed out, and just enjoy nature to the maximum. You've got trees, you've got birds, you have the domesticated animals, fireflies. Have you seen?
Hi everyone, my name is Ashwini. So right now we are in this Mango Mist farm property. We bought a piece of this property like few years ago. I still remember the first time when we came to see the land, and I was very skeptical looking at the barren land, no vegetation as such. We were thinking, what will happen if we buy land here? How things will go? Will it be a good investment? So far away from Bangalore city, it takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours to come to this place. But after looking at this piece of heaven today, all my regrets and all my apprehensions are like they're gone. Poof. It's such a beautiful place now. It goes with its name, filled with mango trees, and there are ripe mangoes hanging from those trees, and there's so much of greenery around. It's such a peaceful place. There are so many animals, small animals, birds. I can hear the cuckoos calling, and I can hear the other birds chirping. It's so beautiful, and today I feel it's like we made a very good decision investing in this property. And right now the management has built cottages like this here so that we can come and stay with our family and friends for a night or 2 nights, get together, have fun. Kids can run around without being scared of falling down or without being scared of traffic and other things here. They can really have a good time. I think you guys should come and have a look at this place and then decide what you want to do. Thank you.